Hi class, I did my interactive whiteboard on my room. I chose to stick to plant and animal cells. So the first thing I did was I went to templates and I chose all templates. And I scrolled down until I found the Venn diagram and I chose to add that. Since I only needed two, I took the third bubble out and just added my plant and animal cell. Next, I added text to tell my students what the directions were and to even make a word bank. It's really easy, you just click anywhere and you can write in it and it stays there. Next, I chose to upload a video from YouTube, and it's easy, you just click there and you type your URL in and your video just appears. I thought it was also really cool because you can also upload pictures from your computer, and that's how I uploaded the diagrams of the animal and the plant cell. Next, I went to the Shapes tool and I made a rectangle for my word bank. And it's cool because you can add color, you can add text. Some useful tools were the sticky notes. I thought these were cool because you can leave notes to your students and they just stay right there. Also, you can do arrows, which I don't have in mine, but you can do like an arrow to this. And there's your arrow. You can even draw. And you can erase it. I thought the comment tool was really cool because if a student was having trouble, he or she could simply click here and write, "What is a cell membrane?" And then it stays right here. So I could see that Allie was having problems with the cell membrane. And once it's resolved, I just press that and it disappears. I think this website's a really great website because it allows students to learn at their own pace and it gives them a different way of learning. And I look forward to using it in the future. Thank you.